Back to the basics, baby. Today, we're doing some live day trading. For the first month here of January, we're going to be in the simulator, but I'm going to show you guys real-time trades, the entries, the exits, how I'm finding the trades, and all of that fun stuff right here in this video. So let's get into it. I think for Immx, it's very clear and simple, easy trade. If it breaks above $8 this morning, then we should try to get a push up here towards that resistance from yesterday at the 869, like I said. All right, so looking here at the scanner really quickly on trade ideas, we got PSTV, we got Immx on the top list there. On the gappers, this is the trade ideas scanner. There's a link down below if you want to learn more, but the big focus right now is PSTV. We've got 15 million shares in the float. We've got Immx with 1 million shares, and we've got ISPC with 3.2 million shares to keep an eye on this morning. All right, so here we go. Market is about to open here. You can see the scanner populating with information right now, breaking out stocks, ISPC pushing up here. We're going to look for PSTV to push above 210 here, and then that'll be our entry at that point if we can push above that 210 level here. I'm going to jump in there and see if we can't get a push up to the 220 area. I only got 100 shares. My stop on this trade is going to be $2 here on PSTV. Immx getting sold off right now. And looks like PSTV is having a little bit of trouble here at the $2 level as well. I'm going to jump out there. I don't like it. If we push back above 10 here, I'll jump back in. So Immx looking like it wants to do something here. So we're watching it closely, see if we can break out over 750. I'm going to try to jump in here on Immx, see if we can push up there. Let's say 720 stop here. Running into too much trouble. We're going to have to watch this level right here. You can see on the 15-minute chart, we got that VWAP and everything right there at the 720. So if we can't hold 720, we'll have to get out here. Looks like it just does not want to have, just doesn't want to go through that 770 area. Watching 720 now. 720 battle happening right here. AMC today down another 1%, 1.4%, down to the $26 level. Looking here at the daily chart, you can see $26 right there. I don't know about you guys, but AMC looks like it wants to touch down here to $20. It very much looks like that here. It looks a lot like that. It looks like it wants to do it. We'll see what happens. So I'm keeping an eye on the trade idea scanner right now, looking at the top gainers, looking at breaking out on volume, and then just kind of going through and looking at the size of the float and depending on the alert and things like that. So just kind of keeping an eye on what's moving on in the market right now with the scanner. Kind of easy to see all the information right there and get everything that I need. This stock right here, Nlsp, just popped up on the scanner right now. Or if we push above 165 here, we'll jump in. See if we can't push above a new high at the 175s. Looking for 175 or higher here. Need to break over that high. That 175 being the high on this candle. Looking good here. 175, 178. I'm going to sell half there. Did I sell half? Nope. Try to sell half. Why is my hotkey not working? There we go. Now we sold half. See if we can take more above 180. We'll let the rest ride here. See if we can't push up to the $2 area with those final 250 shares. So pushing 182 right now, 185, 190s. There we go, beautiful. Looking for a push up to the $2 area. 193, 190, 190, 190, 190, 190. 192. Come on, push over 192. Push to 2. Push it to $2. Come on. If we push back above 191 here, I'm going to add another 1,000 shares there. I think because after we push above 191, we're going to squeeze over $2, especially with all that volume coming in there. Look at the 5-minute chart. Still looking very bullish here, guys. Looking very bullish. Let's push over 195. You can see here on the daily chart, not much going on at that $2 level in terms of resistance. Got a little bit of resistance here, but not a ton of resistance at that level. So we have room to run over $2. Push up here to the 220 area if we can break over $2 right now on Nlsp. Let's get this party started. 198 touching again. She's going to go. She's going to go right here. Let's do it. Up to 2 now. Up to 202. Selling half there. Looking for a little bit more on it. Might be a little greedy here, but I think we can push above, a little bit higher above 2 here. I'm going to protect myself, sell the rest right there, or sell another half there at 197 with my stop now mentally at 190 if we can't keep above 2. So we got that push up the 205 area there on Nlsp now, and that was a beautiful little move there. You can see 205, the high. It was alerted on the scanner. You can see on the top percentage gainers, but it also popped up over here on breaking out with volume when it was $1 down here at this $1.80 area. So, or wait, down at $1.60. So you can see the alert went out on this move when the stock was down here to $1.60. It's now up to a high of 206 there. So basically it broke out of this area here. We got the alert. We jumped in on that pullback. I was looking for a little bit more of a pullback, but we got in there for a breakout over this. I think this is probably the best trade of the day in terms of actual making a trade and then doubling down again as we got that pullback there off the 180s. And now look at that, up there to the high of almost 206. Nlsp up to $2.30, which is funny because look at that right there off of that VWAP. It hit the VWAP perfectly. Ding, 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 into the VWAP and denied, or at least pulling back there resistance-wise. So Nlsp pulling back here. I'm going to look to maybe jump in again. All right, so now it's 10:30 in the morning here. It's 5:30 in the morning here in Hawaii. So I feel pretty good. I think we got some pretty good setups today. You know, it's just getting back into it, getting set up. We had a couple little fumbles and jumbles, but I felt like overall, you know, I was able to read Nlsp pretty good. We got a little messed up there at open with just no continuation on a few plays. But what's interesting is if you look here, remember we bought into Ford here. It's up to 23.90 now from this area of the earlier at that. I think we ended up buying in here, and it pushed up to 23.90 there on Ford right now. So it's up almost 10% on the day. So just getting back into it, getting my eyesight, getting my mind right, thinking about the trades, thinking about the opportunities, the exits, the entries, and all that fun stuff today, making a little bit of money, but obviously it's in the simulator. So we're just getting ready, baby. We're getting ready. You don't go to war without training. And well, when I go to war, I'm going to be trained and ready. So there it is, the breakdown today on this morning's market open, using the Trade Idea Scanner, using Dash Trader Pro there, and getting it all dialed in. If you guys haven't already, do me one big favor, hit that like button, subscribe button. I'll talk to you guys later on.